In today's fast-paced social media landscape, Instagram Reels have emerged as a powerful tool for creators and brands alike. With short, engaging videos capturing the attention of millions, Reels offer a unique opportunity to grow your audience and increase your visibility on the platform. The best part, you don't have to show your face to make an impact. Embracing anonymity can actually work to your advantage. It allows you to focus on creativity and storytelling without the pressure of personal branding. You can create content that resonates with your audience through visuals, text, and sound, all while maintaining your privacy. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies that you can implement right away to start growing your Instagram presence using Reels. From leveraging trending audio to utilizing eye-catching visuals, we'll provide you with actionable tips that will help you create engaging content without ever stepping in front of the camera. So let's dive in and unlock the potential of Instagram Reels together. Understanding Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are a dynamic feature that allows users to create and share short, engaging videos, typically lasting up to 60 seconds. Unlike regular posts, which can be static images or longer videos, Reels are designed for quick consumption and creativity, making them perfect for capturing attention in a crowded feed. The Instagram algorithm plays a crucial role in the success of Reels. It prioritizes engaging content, meaning that videos that receive likes, comments, and shares are more likely to be shown to a wider audience. This makes it essential to create captivating Reels that resonate with viewers and encourage interaction. When it comes to video length and format, Reels thrive on brevity and creativity. The ideal length is often around 15 to 30 seconds, allowing you to deliver your message quickly while keeping viewers engaged. Additionally, using vertical format is key, as it fits the mobile viewing experience perfectly. By understanding these features, you can maximize your impact and reach on Instagram Reels. Content ideas without showing your face. Creating engaging Instagram Reels without showing your face is entirely possible with a bit of creativity. One effective approach is to produce tutorials that focus on a specific skill or craft. For instance, you can showcase cooking techniques, DIY projects, or even digital art processes, all while keeping the camera on your hands or the materials. Product showcases are another fantastic option. Highlight the features and benefits of products by filming them in action or creating unboxing videos. This allows you to engage your audience without being on camera. Incorporating voiceovers or text overlays can enhance storytelling in your Reels. You can narrate your content or provide context through on-screen text, making it accessible and engaging. Additionally, using stock footage or images can be incredibly effective. You can find high-quality visuals that align with your message, allowing you to create compelling content without needing to film anything yourself. By exploring these ideas, you can build a captivating Instagram presence while maintaining your anonymity. Editing techniques for engaging Reels. Editing is a crucial step in creating captivating Instagram Reels that grab attention and keep viewers engaged. User-friendly editing apps like InShot and CapCut are excellent choices for beginners and seasoned creators alike. These apps offer a range of features that make it easy to trim clips, add effects, and enhance your videos without a steep learning curve. One key aspect of video editing is pacing. Keeping a brisk pace helps maintain viewer interest, so be mindful of how long each clip stays on screen. Smooth transitions between clips can also elevate the overall quality of your Reels, making them feel more polished and professional. Incorporating music and sound effects is another powerful way to boost engagement. The right soundtrack can set the mood and enhance the storytelling aspect of your video. Additionally, using trending audio can increase your chances of reaching a wider audience. By mastering these editing techniques, you can create visually appealing and engaging Reels that resonate with your viewers. Hashtags and captions. Strategy. Using hashtags and captions effectively is essential for maximizing the visibility of your Instagram Reels. Niche-specific hashtags play a crucial role in reaching your target audience. By selecting hashtags that are relevant to your content and industry, you can connect with users who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Aim for a mix of popular and less competitive hashtags to increase your chances of being discovered. Crafting engaging captions is equally important. A well-written caption can prompt viewer interaction, encouraging comments, shares, and likes. Ask questions, share interesting facts, or include a call to action to invite your audience to engage with your content. To maximize your reach, consider using tools for hashtag research, such as Hashtagify or All Hashtag. These tools can help you identify trending hashtags and analyze their performance, allowing you to refine your strategy over time. By combining niche-specific hashtags with engaging captions, you can enhance your Reels visibility and foster a more interactive community around your content. Engaging with your audience. Audience engagement is a vital component of building a successful presence on Instagram, especially when using Reels. Responding to comments and messages promptly shows your followers that you value their input and fosters a sense of community. This interaction not only strengthens relationships, but also encourages more viewers to engage with your content in the future. Creating polls or questions within your Reels is another effective way to boost engagement. These interactive elements invite your audience to share their opinions and experiences, making them feel more connected to your content. Plus, it provides valuable insights into what your audience enjoys, allowing you to tailor future content accordingly. Collaborating with other creators can also significantly expand your reach. By partnering with individuals who share a similar audience, you can introduce your content to new viewers and gain fresh perspectives. Collaborations can take many forms, from joint reels to shoutouts, and they often lead to increased engagement and follower growth. By prioritizing audience engagement, you can cultivate a loyal community around your content. Analyzing performance metrics. Understanding how your Instagram Reels are performing is essential for refining your content strategy and maximizing engagement. Key metrics to track include views, likes, shares, and comments. Views indicate how many people have seen your reel, while likes and shares reflect how well your content resonates with your audience. Comments provide direct feedback and can highlight areas for improvement or topics of interest. To gain deeper insights, utilize Instagram Insights, a built-in analytics tool that offers detailed performance data. This feature allows you to see not only the metrics mentioned, but also demographic information about your viewers, helping you understand who is engaging with your content. Once you have analyzed your performance data, it's crucial to adjust your strategies accordingly. If certain types of reels are performing better than others, consider creating more content in that style. Conversely, if a particular approach isn't resonating, don't hesitate to pivot. By regularly analyzing your performance metrics and adapting your content strategy, you can enhance your reels and grow your audience effectively. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of growing on Instagram using reels without showing your face. We emphasize the importance of creativity and consistency in your content. By leveraging engaging editing techniques, niche-specific hashtags, and effective audience engagement strategies, you can significantly enhance your visibility and connection with viewers. We also discussed the value of experimenting with different content ideas, from tutorials and product showcases to polls and collaborations. Trying out various approaches will not only keep your content fresh, but also help you discover what resonates best with your audience. Want to grow a profitable YouTube channel, even without showing your face? Tube Mastery and Monetization is a step-by-step digital marketing program that teaches you how to start, grow, and monetize a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale faster, this course covers everything from niche selection to video creation to earning passive income. It's perfect for anyone who wants to build a faceless YouTube channel and turn views into dollars. As you embark on your journey to create captivating reels, remember that the key to success lies in being authentic and adaptable. If you found these tips helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your support helps us continue providing valuable insights and strategies for growing your presence on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!